So today's going to be a bit of a busy day and a bit of an unexpected one. I've been talking about wanting to do something with this backyard or part of this backyard for a while. We bought a new grill the other day and I wanted to set it back here, but of course I don't like being back here at night because of the trees and dark and everything. But we're going to do a little patio area today. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Alright, it's really bright and I can't see what I'm recording at all. You'll forgive the kind of dirty area. But anyway, this is the back door. This section here by the corner of the house, I wanted to start against the house, but there's a pipe there hiding by the stairs that comes almost all the way up to the second stair. So we're going to start at the corner of the stairs, maybe the second stair. We're going to go out. Today we're probably going to go out maybe 8 feet or so, something to put the grill on. But eventually I would like to go all the way down about 20 feet, then all the way over, even with this tree, and then come all the way back. And then I'd like to put a wall on these two sides. I think if I make it more like a room, an area, I won't be afraid here at night when I'm grilling and such. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab the weed eater and get some of this chopped down, and then I'm going to get the rake and find out how level or unlevel this is. Alright, so I got it all shortened. Getting started on laying some brick. It's a little uneven. We might have to put some sand down in some of the little holes, but at least we got it started. Alright, well, this is as far as we got with 60. So we're going to pick up another 60 this afternoon. So we'll probably get about double what there is there. Hi, Siggy Monster. And at least it'll be big enough to put the grill on for now. So it's a good head start. I know this vlog was kind of short. Not much else to really record today. I did spray a bunch of brush killer out front and down at the bottom of the driveway. I was able to buy my lighthouse. Jason got that for me as a present when we bought the grill. So I can't wait to get that started down there, the retaining wall bricks, and get that all nice and pretty. But anyway, thanks for watching today. If you would be, I would be very appreciative. Give this video a like and subscribe. I'm gonna go inside and make sure that I don't have any ticks on me. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, so day 2. We got 60 more bricks yesterday. This is what we have so far. We got some paving sand, which when it's damp you can crumble it, squish it, it almost hardens like dirt under there. So I almost found the easier part to do the slope. So all I did was fill it in. We filled it in with some dirt from over here, probably 80% of the way, and then used the sand just under the bricks. It's not perfect, as you can see by the board, but it's not bad. We're gonna get the grill out here, and I think we're just gonna leave it like this for now. Work on it some more through the summer, but at least I can get the grill out there, out here, and we'll just add on to it as we go. My next project is the end of the driveway. So on that note, now I'll end the vlog instead of trying to end it yesterday. I think I got some sun. Oops. Can't see it now, but I'm pretty sure it's there. It burns a little bit when I sit out in the sun. So anyway, yeah, I think today I'm gonna test the 2 extension cords I found in the shed. See if I can get the weed eater down to the end of the driveway. Clear all that out, find a little decorative rock to set my lighthouse on. And then I think the next like $40 purchase is going to be retaining wall bricks to do the end of the driveway decor. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Delicious.